Hello, my name is Naila Roji. Today I'm going to make the best chicken Pregos ever. I lived 30 years in Lisbon, Portugal. You're going to have the most wonderful Prego with chips. Okay, I've got the potatoes in soaked in water. I'm going to wipe them and then put some olive oil, and then they're going to go in the air fry. Okay, so I've already wiped them, and now I'm going to put some olive oil in there and then put them in the air fry. And that's it. Mix it and goes in the air fry. Okay, now I'm going to start the stove on 140. The reason why I use extra virgin olive oil is because the seed oil is not good for the health, and it causes inflammation. I have lots and lots of pain in the body. It's terrible. So there are other options besides extra virgin olive oil, which is avocado oil, coconut oil, and ghee. Okay, so from all those you can choose whatever you want. Okay, now the pan is hot. I'm going to put some olive oil in here, not much. I've marinated this chicken with salt, garlic powder, and paprika powder. It's already marinated for about 2 hours. Now I'm going to put this on 100 and put the chicken inside. Always on low. We don't want to overheat any oil, because it becomes toxic and it's very bad for the health. As the fumes start coming out from the oil, any oil, it starts decomposing in different toxic compounds. All those toxic compounds penetrate in the food we're having and in our body, and it stays in our body, and then we have lots and lots of inflammation, and we cry with pain. So please try not to use seed oil like a canola oil or soya oil or sunflower oil or any other oil made out of seeds. In India we use a lot of ghee. Ghee is very good. It's excellent. It's an excellent choice. So it's better to use ghee. And here I'm going to make a few cuts so it cooks inside. Well, I'll just prick it like this so it cooks inside. It doesn't stay undercooked. Looks beautiful, nice and golden. And I already have my bread here. And as soon as this is ready, I'm going to put it on 160 Celsius. Okay, so now we can see that on 140 Celsius, the fillet is nice and golden, beautiful color, and the taste is absolutely amazing. I'm going to put a little bit of butter, not much, that much butter, and I'm going to put some red chilies, some fresh garlic. Remember, I had already put the garlic powder, and now I'm increasing to 180. Need to warm this up a little. And as you can see, it's very simple, easy, delicious. You'll love it. You'll absolutely love it. Okay, I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to make the sandwich. So here we have the chicken. And we're going to put the sauce in the bread. As you can see, it will turn out like that. I'm going to close it. Which are made in air fry. Please don't fry your food. It's very, very, very harmful. It's poisonous. Please don't fry your food. Try and make as much as possible in air fry or in the oven. Thank you so much. Please press like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.